Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are fine. The title of the book is Progressive English, Unit 1, Elephants. Today our topic is non-fiction. Students, open your book on page number 9. Here is non-fiction. Non-fiction mean prose writing. Prose writing mean ordinary language. Prose writing that is informative or factual rather than fictional. The writer of the following text was an English vet who worked in the teak forest of Burma. As I have told you people, the meaning of the teak forest of Burma mean Burma के सागून के जंगलात. In the 1930th century, he looked after mean देखभाल करना. He looked after देखभाल करना the elephants which worked in the teak forest, as did Shoetoke in the previous story, पहली story में. Because of his work with the elephant, he was known as Elephant Bill. He was known as Friends of Elephants. In the text he describes mean बयान करना. In the text he describes his experience with a she elephant called Makio, which he had previously treated mean इलाज करना. For wounds mean जख्म. Inflicted mean मुतासिर on her back by a tiger. Inflicted हुआ था by a tiger. Makio. Paragraph 1. I know without questions that an elephant can be grateful. Grateful means शुक्रगुजार. For relief means sukoon given to it from pain and sickness. For example, I remember one of elephant Makio. She had fearful खौफ ज़दा. Lacerations mean हंगामा शोर शराबा. हंगामा शोर शराबा नहीं है. इसका यह है कि किसी जानवर एनिमल के काटने से, जैसे चीर फाड़ करने से ज़ख़म होता है, तकलीफ़ होती है. ऑन दी बैरल मीन बुलेट ऑफ हर बैक ऑफ द टाइगर क्लॉज मीन पंजा. एंड आई ट्रीटेड her for them every day for 3 weeks. In the early stages, she suffered great pain, but although she made a lot of fuss mean शोर करना, हंगामा करना, rather as an 8 years old child might have done, जिस तरह के 8 years old बच्चा करता है. She always gave way because I was determined mean पुरअज़्म होना. And she let me go on when she was sufficiently mean काफ़ी. healed mean शफायाब होना. Sufficiently healed, I sent her back to Camp Light under a reliable Burman mean भरोसे के काबिल एतमाद बर्मन. With instructions mean हदायत that she was to given light dressing of fly repellent on the wounds. Repellent mean सख्त, वो हैरत अंगेज़, जिस तरह एक नफ़रत अंगेज़ होता है. Now come on paragraph 2. I did see her again for 2 months. I was having a cup of tea in camp outside my tent while 7 elephants were being washed in the crack mean nadi, nearby nazdeek, ready for me to inspect mean maina karna. Inspect them, the last animal to come out of the crack and to return to camp to dry off before inspections was Makio. As he passed me about 50 yards away with her rider on foot following her at her heel, I called out, more in order to greet him and show that I recognized mean पहचानना him then because of any interest in the animal which I was anyhow going to inspect in less than an hour आज टाइम हाउ इज़ मेक यू बैक यानी हाफ एन आवर से भी ज़्यादा जो है उसका मैंने कहता है कि उसका ज़ख़म कैसा है. नाउ कॉमन पैराग्राफ 3. हर राइडर did not reply as he had not caught what I said, but Makio swing round at right angle to the direction in which she was going and came towards me. She walked straight up to me where I was sitting. I patted mean thapki di her on the trunk and gave her a banana of my table. And then without any word of command mean hukam, she dropped into her bag. Having patted mean thapki dena her, I told her to get up, and away she went, leaving me with the agreeable conviction. Conviction mean saza yafta hona, that she had come to say thank you. Then I began to suspect mean mashku, that perhaps on hearing my voice with which she had become familiar, she had done it merely from habit. Merely mean muhiz, sirf. Students, now come on next page, that is page number 10, paragraph 4. But later on, when I inspected her, I got surprised. She was the last in the row, and I went over her back very carefully, kneading mean गूंदना, the wounds with my hands, यानी मैंने अपने हाथ से जो है उसका ज़ख़म को दबाया. एंड आई फाउंड वन लिटल होल, और उसमें एक सुराख था. विच स्टिल स्पिरिटेड मीन जिसमें पीप भरा हुआ था. देयर वॉज ग्रेट टेंडरनेस along a line 9 inches long where the wound had healed over. Tenderness mean रहमदिली. It was undoubtedly infected. McCoy let me open it up to its full length there and then, although my doing so obviously gave her great pain, but she was a good patient. इस तरह करने से जो है obviously एलिफेंट्स को तकलीफ़ हुई है, लेकिन वो एक गुड पेशेंट था. And now come on last paragraph. This made me think over the incident again. I can never be quite sure that she came and showed me her back in order to tell me that it was still painful. क्या वो इसलिए आया कि वो अपना ज़ख़म मुझे दिखाए कि वो स्टिल तकलीफ़ में है. बट आई एम श्योर दैट शी लाइक्ड मी, ट्रस्टेड मी एंड वॉज ग्रेटफुल, शुक्रगुजार है, एंड दैट वी वर वेरी गुड फ्रेंड्स. स्टूडेंट्स, होप यू आर getting me. Read this story at least 3 times, and then you will understand very well. Here is vocabulary. Find the words in the text which match the following definitions. Ribs, RTS. Next, applications: believe, ost, diseased. You have to find the familiar definitions in this text. Now come on next page. A she elephant is a female elephant. A male elephant is called bull elephant. These example also will improve your vocabulary. What is a female horse called? What is a male sheep called? What is a male deer called? What is a female fox called? And last one is, what is a female wolf called? The passive voice. Students, you are familiar with the active voice and passive voice sentences. I am giving just here few examples. You people, the passive voice active sentences, when we will change into passive sentence, there are some specific rules. The subject become object. Then we will use helping verb and then verb third form. In passive sentences, we always use verb third form, and then with preposition by we write the subject. For example, I play cricket. Cricket is cricket is object, it becomes subject, and then we use helping verb is verb first form. We changed into third form played, preposition by I change into me. Cricket is played by me. I play cricket is a present indefinite tense. When we will change into passive sentences, it will change such as cricket is played by me. Next sentence is we play cricket. Cricket is played by us. You play cricket, for example, the sentence is cricket is played by you. In this way, you will make the passive sentences. Students, now note down your homework. Make 10 MCQs, page number 9 and 10. For example, how you will make MCQs. The right, for example, I have done for one example from first paragraph. The writer of the following text was an English vet who worked in the dash of Burma. Option A plains, B teak forest, C hospital, D forest. The correct answer is teak forest. The writer of the following text was an English vet who worked in the teak forest of Burma. The correct answer is teak forest. You will take option B. And also you have practiced passive voice sentences and read the page number 9 and 10 2 or 3 टाइम. स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोगों ने MCQs कैसे बनाने हैं, आप लोगों के लिए एक एग्जांपल मैंने दी है. आप लोगों ने खुद से फिलिंग द ब्लैंक जो है क्रिएट करनी है. करेक्ट ऑप्शन भी आप लोगों ने लिखनी है और 3 ऑप्शन जो है आप लोगों ने खुद से क्रिएट करनी है. देन फिर आप लोगों ने जो करेक्ट आंसर है उस पर क्लिक करना है. इन दिस वे यू कैन मेक MCQs. And also you have to practice passive sentences. Next we will teach in next lecture inshallah. Take care students. Now Allah Hafiz.